Hey everybody, how are you? I hope you're having fun and enjoying the pop-up so far. I'm Jan Givens and I live in Texas, and I wanted to share my very simple Flawless in 5 routine, which it's all very simple, but here's how I do it in less than 5 minutes. So I either alternate, usually during the day, I go with the Dew Skin Tinted Moisturizer for just a little bit of coverage, a lot of hydration, and I love the SPF. And if I'm going to an event or out to dinner or girl time or date night or whatnot, I will wear the Skin Twin foundation. It's really fantastic because it's layerable. So I can put a really fine light layer on where I feel like I'm still getting great coverage. Or if I have more spots or I want just a beautiful, flawless complexion, then I may layer on 2 layers. Sometimes I mix them together. So today, just for fun, I'm going to show you the Skin Twin foundation. Right now, I'm light 230. Sometimes I'm 210, sometimes I'm 230. I don't get a lot of sun, so I'm always in sunscreen. So here goes. You can either put it on the top of your hand and apply with a flat complexion brush or our great push-up brush that we have for foundation, or you can just use your fingers. And a lot of times I like to use my fingers because I actually feel like I can be a little bit more directional with it. So it's not the professional way. So I'm gonna use 1 pump, as you can see, and I'm spreading it amongst these 6 fingers, and I'm sort of dabbing it everywhere to make sure that I have enough for my face. Because sometimes if you start putting it all in one spot on your face, you may need to go back and get more because your skin may soak it up pretty quickly in that one spot. So I'm making sure I'm getting around my hairline, around my eyebrows, not too much on my eyebrows, around my eyes, around my nose, in the middle. And I mean, you can see it just blends in so quickly. And always under your jaw. So a lot of people like to use a brush then, because then you can kind of smooth it around. And where I have blemishes, I may actually put a little bit more on before my concealer so that I can use my concealer mostly under my eyes because this has such a great coverage. Now when it dries, you will see that it's like the exact color of my skin. So I have been getting a little bit of blemishes around my mouth from wearing a mask. So that's fun. But I mean, you can see they're barely there. I basically was really good about treating them, coming home, putting the charcoal mask on, and then using Counter Control, the cleanser, the spot treatment, and the all over acne treatment. And it was like the same day, it's almost gone. So thank you for that. Okay, so this is blended in and it will dry quickly. Okay, now I'm gonna use my touch-up concealer. I'm usually fair. Sometimes I use light on my spots because I think it's nice to have a brighter, lighter color around your eyes to open them up. But if your skin is darker elsewhere, then you definitely don't want to continue to use the same light color all around your face. Mine's pretty much all over fair because I'm very fair skin. So I'm going under my eyes, on top of my eyelids, because I also think if you're gonna wear eyeshadow, it's a great eye base. In any little spots, I may go a little bit heavier after days where I didn't get a lot of sleep. I had 2 small children. And I'm just lightly patting it and blending it down and around so that my cheekbones have a little bit of highlighting. Okay. See? Already, like, so much brighter. I don't even look like I didn't get a lot of sleep. Okay, next for blush. This is my favorite color, Nectar. As you can see, I use it a lot, but I've had it for 2.5 years, so it also lasts a long time. I like to sometimes use a larger brush for blush because I feel like I like a little bit larger of an area covered. When I'm using bronzer, I use a smaller brush so I can be a little bit more specific. But I need some more color, some pink. So you can see, I mean, you can dab it or you can brush it. I think it does a really great job because these velvet powders pick up so much pigment to dab. Okay, so all over brighter. Now, my eyebrows are microbladed, so lucky me, I don't have a lot to do with them. If I do anything, I just either use clear or light brow gel, because I'm feeling I want them to be a little bit bolder today. So light is actually a really great soft brown blonde color, kind of ashy. Done. Okay. Eyelashes. I have very straight, fine eyelashes, so I curl them first. It's kind of hard to do this looking in the camera. But I curl them briefly, sometimes a little bit longer, but for time purposes. I'm making this go long because I'm getting chatty and excited to share tips with you, but I usually do this in about 3 minutes, maybe less, even with the kids running around. So this is the Volumnizing mascara. I love it. It goes on really wet and fairly light. So like the foundation, you can layer it. You can build it as bold as you want. My face comes to life with mascara. I don't feel like I have much expression without it. So I love, love, love mascara. We also have lengthening mascara. If you already have thick, bold lashes, then sometimes the lengthening is really nice just to extend them. And it's just simple and beautiful. But I'm all about eyelashes, so I like volumizing. And there's other like tips and tricks that other people do. Like sometimes I dab it on the very ends because I think that thickens them. Somebody told me that once. Sometimes they're a little bit on the bottom. Okay. Yay. And then I'm gonna finish up with my new favorite lip gloss, our Beyond Gloss. This color is called Magnolia Shimmer. Isn't it so pretty? I love it. Sorry, I got mascara on my face. The vanilla is so yummy. And it's just a little hint of color and a little bit of shimmer. And you know our glosses, they don't get sticky. They're just delicious. I love them. So I hope you learned a lot, and you can see how simple and easy and flawless. I mean, my skin, this just makes my day. So if this is the least that I'm gonna do today or the most that I do today, I'm gonna feel really incredible. So hope y'all are having fun. Thanks so much for watching, and let us know how we can help you choose your colors.